Short Story 98, The Curious Case of the Missing Picnic. Emily, a girl with bright, inquisitive eyes and hair the colour of sunshine, lived in a quaint village nestled amongst rolling hills. Every Saturday, rain or shine, Emily and her grandmother, Nana Rose, would pack a picnic basket and explore the countryside. Nana Rose, with her kind smile and endless stories, taught Emily about the wonders of nature. One crisp autumn morning, they set off with their wicker basket, filled with fluffy sandwiches, juicy berries, and Nana Rose's famous ginger cookies. The leaves on the trees had transformed into a fiery mix of reds, oranges, and yellows, crunching under their feet like happy whispers. Butterflies flitted about, their wings painted with vibrant hues, and squirrels chattered amongst the branches, gathering their winter stash. "Look, Emily," Nana Rose pointed, her finger resting in a delicate spider web adorned with glistening morning dew. "The fairies must have been busy last night." Emily giggled, imagining tiny creatures weaving the intricate web under the soft moonlight. Reaching a small clearing bathed in sunlight, they spread out their checkered blanket. Birdsong filled the air, creating a melody that danced with the gentle breeze. After enjoying their delicious picnic, Nana Rose suggested a treasure hunt. "Follow the clues I leave and find the surprise I hid," she winked. Emily's eyes sparkled with excitement. The first clue was tucked under a plump mushroom. "Where the leaves gather to dance, a tiny friend awaits your chance." Following a trail of fallen leaves, Emily reached a magnificent oak tree, its branches stretching towards the sky like welcoming arms. Underneath, a tiny ladybug scurried on a blade of grass, holding the next clue. "Hoppity hop, don't despair, follow the bouncing ball in the air." With a joyful skip, Emily chased a fluffy dandelion seed carried by the wind. It led her to a babbling brook, where a smooth pebble held the final clue. "Look under the bridge where secrets hide, a sweet surprise waiting inside." Following the curve of the bridge, Emily peeked underneath. Her heart leaped with joy as she saw a small wooden box, painted with colourful flowers. Inside, nestled amongst some soft moss, were two beautiful hand-carved wooden birds. One was painted orange and yellow, just like a robin, and the other a sleek, shiny black, resembling a crow. "Nana Rose," Emily exclaimed, rushing back with her treasures. "They're beautiful." Nana Rose smiled warmly. "These birds symbolize friendship, Emily, just like the robin and the crow, who overcome their differences to help each other. Remember, true friends come in all shapes and sizes." As the sun began its descent, casting long shadows on the meadow, they packed up their belongings. The walk back was filled with stories of brave adventurers and loyal animal companions. Reaching their cottage, Emily placed the wooden birds on her windowsill. Every night as the moon cast its silvery glow, she looked at them, remembering the day's adventure and Nana Rose's words about friendship. She knew no matter what, she always had a loyal friend in Nana Rose and the spirit of adventure waiting to be explored. Vocabulary notes. General. Quaint. Charming and old-fashioned. Village. Nestled. Comfortably situated. Village. Rolling hills. Rounded, gentle hills. Crisp. Fresh and clear. Autumn morning. Transformed. Changed completely. Leaves. Vibrant, bright and intense. Hues. Chattered, made short, quick noises. Squirrels. Melody, a pleasant tune. Birdsong. Scurried, moved quickly and quietly. Ladybug. Leaped, jumped suddenly and excitedly. Heart. Descent, moved downwards. Sun. Cast, through or spread. Shadows. Meadow, a large area of grass and wildflowers. Silvery, shining with a soft white light. Moon. Food. Fluffy, light and soft. Sandwiches. Juicy, full of liquid. Berries. Delicate, thin and fragile. Spider web. Nature. Glistening, shining brightly. Dew. Clearing, an open space in the forest. Branches, limbs of a tree. Blade of grass, a single narrow leaf of grass. Pebble, a small smooth stone. Moss, a soft green plant that grows in damp places. Wooden box, a container made of wood. Friendship. Inquisitive, curious and eager to learn. Eyes. Wink, close one eye briefly as a signal or joke. Sparkle, shine brightly. Eyes. Despair, feel hopeless or discouraged. Leap, jump suddenly and excitedly. Heart. Warmly, in a friendly and kind way. Smile. Overcome, defeat or get past. Differences. Loyal, faithful and supportive. Friend. Story written by Google Bard AI. Image created by Microsoft Copilot AI. Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you click on the like icon and take the time to leave a comment. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.